Hello and welcome back. I'm Tom Norris, the president of Norheat Treatment Inc. This is video number 3. We trust you're finding the videos informative and maybe even slightly entertaining. In this video, we will be discussing the potential production increases that are possible using the new ITC TS 1000. The production increases come from the ability of the TS 1000 coating to absorb the available heat and transfer it to the aluminum charge being heated. This translates into a significantly faster heat up rate to melting and pouring temperature, all while maintaining an even heat distribution. This increases the production by decreasing the time it takes to melt the charge. Our technology is applied to the aluminum charge before it enters the melting furnace. When applied to the outer surface of the aluminum charge, the results observed in our laboratory testing would indicate a potential production increase of 18 to 40% of additional metal that could be produced from the melting furnace. This, of course, when compared to uncoated aluminum. So let's continue with our yearly estimated aluminum production of 45,000 tons per year. Assuming that this 45,000 tons is your baseline production, and using the results we found in our laboratory testing, we can assume that this new technology could allow our user to increase their aluminum production by roughly 8,000 tons per year to upwards of 18,000 tons per year. That same company using this new product could potentially achieve obviously significant revenue increases. These numbers are based on the benefits observed during our laboratory testing. In a manufacturing environment, they might be slightly different than the above, maybe even greater. Norheat is looking for aluminum manufacturers who are interested in a free trial. The goal of these trials would be to confirm the above numbers so that we can take this information and include it when we formally release this product to market. If this is something that you and your team are interested in, please don't hesitate to reach out to Norheat with any questions, comments, or ideas, and we'll do our best to answer them for you. Our contact information is going to be at the end of the video for easy reference. We wish you all the best and hope that you all remain safe and healthy during this time of quarantine. We appreciate your time and thank you for your interest in this exciting new technology.